Hello, aspiring coders. Welcome back to Code Journey. Today, we're tackling a question that plagues many beginners on their coding journey. What programming language should you learn first? The world of programming languages can be daunting, with a multitude of options available. But fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the process. First, let's understand that there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best language for you depends on your goals and interests. If you're interested in web development and building websites, start with HTML and CSS. HTML structures web content, while CSS styles it. If you want to create dynamic and interactive websites, then JavaScript is your next step. It's the language of the web. For general-purpose programming and versatility, Python is a fantastic choice. It's known for its readability and simplicity. Python is widely used in fields like data science, machine learning, and web development. If you're learning towards mobile app development, consider learning Swift for iOS apps and Java or Kotlin for Android apps. These languages are essential for creating apps that run on smartphones and tablets. For data analysis and manipulation, Python's data science libraries like NumPy and Pandas are invaluable. Python's data tools are a must if you're interested in working with data. In the world of robotics and hardware, languages like C and C++ are widely used. They offer low-level control over devices. These languages are for those who want to dive deep into the hardware side of computing. So, what programming language should you learn first? It depends on your interests and goals. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are excellent for web development. Python is versatile and beginner-friendly. Specialized fields like app development, data science, game development, and robotics have their own languages. Remember, the best language is the one that keeps you engaged and motivated. So, go ahead, pick one, and start your coding journey today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more guidance on your programming adventure.